to how to make original fried rice. Ingredients you need are 2 eggs, green onion, cooked rice. First step, I'm gonna mix 2 eggs. First, pour the egg into the pan. The second step is pour the green onion in and cook about like 2 minutes. Until you can smell. Green onion is very good for health. After about like 2 minutes, then pour the rice. Mix. I call this original fried rice. And then put some sauce. This is Jack's Jumping Rice number 8. Original fried rice. Why we call jumping rice is because when you see the rice jumping means it is ready. I can see the rice jumping. It is ready. I want to taste it. I cannot wait. This is Jack's Jumping Rice number 8, original fried rice. Only put some egg and a little bit green onion. I cannot wait, I need to taste it. Make sure to subscribe my channel to see more of my videos.